Hello, my name is Neil. I am one of the co-founders of Elite Journey, and in my spare time I'm also a doctor in the NHS. And I'm here today at our Future Careers Camp in Cambridge. I want to share with you a little bit about it. The Future Career Camp in Cambridge is a really special camp because it's the pinnacle of all of our programs. It's an opportunity and a chance for students to put all of their knowledge and skills that they've learned from our other camps into action and apply that into careers in which they may be interested in, and to give them a taste and a sample and a flavour of all of the different options and careers that there are out there for them. So it's really a chance to inspire them to set a direction and a goal for where they want to go in the future, and to bring together in a really holistic way all of the skills and knowledge that they learn on all of our other camps. I'm a doctor in the NHS, and I just finished a job in leadership and management in medicine in the UK government. And I think what I learned from that job is that actually, what you learn at school and university, it's not the hard facts and it's not the technical knowledge and skills that you need most in life to succeed in all of these different jobs. What I now appreciate is the soft skills that I learned whenever I was younger and through programs just like CSSC. I can Google facts all the time. I don't need to learn what's in the textbook a lot. I need to do that to prove that I'm good, but actually to excel at the job, what really gets you places is the ability to network, to use your soft skills, and to be able to bring people along with you to achieve the same goal, ambition. I think the unique thing about CSSC programs is we make education fun, but we also incorporate that with cultural exchange, pushing students out of their comfort zone and really making them think critically about everything that they're doing. Our students are inspired by role models. Our mentors aren't just anybody. These are some of the smartest minds in the whole of the UK and from across the world studying at Cambridge, and we are letting them interact directly with our student from China, so that our students want to keep coming back. And they don't just come for one summer journey, they come for a lifetime journey with Elite Journey, where they want to come back. They want to meet our mentors again and build on those relationships, build on those foundational competencies that can make them into the role models of the future. And we've seen that so many of our students come back every summer, every winter, and eventually go on to achieve their dream of studying at a world-leading university, whether that be Cambridge or Oxford or one of the other top universities in the UK or the US. We've seen it so many time and time again, and always each one of those students talk about their experience at Elite Journey programs and how they've been inspired by our mentors. The world is changing at a faster pace than we've ever seen before. We've seen the COVID pandemic, the explosion of the use of artificial intelligence in every aspect of our life, how quickly the internet is changing the way that we work. Everything in the world is changing so fast, and so to pick a specific skill is not easy, but what I would say is that our students need to be adaptable, able to deal with change, and able to manage change successfully. And I think those three core elements are the things our students need to be able to do and manage successfully in order to succeed in the world of the future. And our programs at CSSC do that. We're constantly pushing our students outside of their comfort zone, helping them experience change in new environments, deal with different cultures, different people, and deal with different critical problems. So I think that's probably one of the biggest things our students need to be prepared for in the future, and I think that's exactly what our camps do.